Guys, I just missed the sunset, so that's too bad. But I do want to show you guys around. So I don't know the name of this beach, but it's at the Bocagrande area, and it's the closest one to my hotel. It is a bit windy though, so I don't know if you can hear me well, but let's just walk around. Let's see if the water is very cold or not. We got some cool rocks over here. Whoa, I see a crab. I don't know if I got him on camera, but guys, walking around the beach, enjoying the view, feet in the water. It's an amazing feeling. It works therapeutic. You just forget about all your troubles and just really live in the moment. Got some music playing, I'm gonna show you. Let me put my sandals on the floor. Hey, don't judge me, but I got some Avril Lavigne playing. You know, I love this song, I love her music. Have it on speaker and just walking around. And I think I'm gonna go to the mall. I don't know if you can see it. It's there. Gonna check if they have some food, and I'll see you guys then.